So hi guys, this is Jacob from Software Development Stories, and today I would like to learn how to do some web application in AngularJS and MongoDB, and I would like to learn with you. And what we are going to do today, I was thinking to do like a website where you can like rent whatever you have. So for example, like you will have a coffee maker which you are not using, so you can put it on the website and somebody can just rent it from you, and yeah, and he can use it, he can pay for it some monthly fee, but you don't have to sell it, you will own it and he will use it. So it's basically the same like a car sharing app, but it's for like everything, completely everything. So if you want to like buy, if you want to like borrow Skillsaw, for example, for a week, you don't have to have it because you don't use it like for a long time. That's what I'm gonna program. Yeah. Yeah, it's been a long time since I made any video. So I already did a couple of videos, so I started to do some installing, like a program installing, because this tutorial can be like for total beginner, which if you don't know anything about anything, you can just start with me, because I don't have a knowledge of AngularJS, and I have some general knowledge of programming, and that's it. Because I'm basically like a PHP programmer, MySQL programmer, and yeah, I would like to learn about these new technologies. So we can just start, I think, and we can start with what we are going to do now, and I think there are 3 steps. I already wrote, and the first step is to download Docker and install it and register there. What is Docker? You can read here. Oh, it's not it. Docker is this thing. Docker software. Here. It's like this whale. It's basically a server which you are using to make work your website. So this is important thing. You can start with this for sure if you don't know anything about anything. So we'll just put get started, blah blah blah. You will just read, download for Mac or whatever you have. If you download it, you can install. If you install, for me, for example, I can see here I have my Docker here, and yeah, after that I have this widget or whatever it is, and I have here my getting started application after installing, and then here you can just open it in the browser and you can see on the localhost tutorial, you can see there is some local website which I don't know right now where it is or whatever, but yeah, you have this local. So if you turn off your Wi-Fi, you can see like it's still working, so it's somewhere, I don't know where, but it's somewhere. You can also read here some stuff, what is container and whatever, but I'm really lazy to read all the stuff, so I'll just leave it for later. Okay, I'll just leave it for later. So that's the first thing, Docker. So download and install this one, and also go to website and register yourself and sign in here. And that's the first thing you will do. And the next thing is GitHub. What is GitHub? GitHub is version control system. You can just go here, github.com, and you can see, and what you can do is register here. I'm already registered, so you can just sign in. Authentication code from your phone number, which is, oh my god, it makes everything easy, right? So you will have it on your phone. 2100 21. You can see, verify, and it will be inside. And here you can see your repositories, which is like basically your websites. For example, like I have here like Symfony blog, which is like public, and inside you can see your code. I don't know, for example, like you have some, what is inside this file, you can see some stuff, blah 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 blah. So that's the GitHub. And also like this stuff you can download to your like a folder. For example, like I don't know, you can Symfony blog, and you can just code, and you can just take and download it here. If it is public, so it means like everybody can come here and just download the code. If it's private, you can see just like you and your co-workers, which like the whole planet is working right now. So basically, if there is like more people working on the same code, it's like this is inside of GitHub, and people they are working and just like pushing their code there. I will show you later how it works. So this is the second thing. So we will just register here, and yeah, and install. Also install this thing. You can see like how to install this thing. Open browser, blah blah, download, install. That's it, easy. And then we will need terminal as well. Terminal, you have it. You can find it in your computer. And when you have it installed, you can just do like git version. You can see we have git version of our GitHub. Yeah. So we have git, and we also have Docker. I don't know if this works as well. Yes. So we have also Docker, we have git. These two things. The third thing, which is easy to do, is to download Sublime Text. Sublime Text, it's an editor. You can see it just right here. It has like this icon like this. So later you can use advanced ones, but for now like it's enough to use this thing. Yeah, it has cool feature like this. On the right side you can see like the overview of the code, and then you can see code. That's the third thing you can install. You can just do it now. So you can just pause and install these three things, and after this we have like this free stuff. We need after this we need for our social network we need AngularJS, and we need NPM, which is like JavaScript library installer. NPM, you can also find NPM install. Get NPM, and then here you just download this crazy thing, this guy. I already have it, and just install this thing, and then after that you can just see Node version in your terminal. There is version of Node, NPM version. So we have these things. So what we have already, we can see in our Sublime. So we have installed this guy. That's good, eh? That's good. Wow, what is happening here? Yeah. So now I will teach you a little bit. I think just use a couple of seconds how to work with a terminal. For example, in my case, you have at least you can learn like the basic commands how to work with the terminals. For example, like ls, it means like you are currently in a directory website, and with ls you list what you have inside your directory. And also if you do like the old school cd, you go like directory up, and you can see here are our websites, for example. So we go back to our website, and we can create some Angular skeleton application. Angular skeleton application. Okay, so we can have like this, or this maybe. It's saved on GitHub, but we already install our GitHub, so it's easy for us because we can just like download it. Yeah. So so here is some code. I don't know how to write code in Angular right now, but at least we can download it to our project, and we'll see what it's gonna be. So here there is a readme skeleton Angular, and there is how we can install this application. Deploying your app, ground build, run up different environments based on config. but the best would be if there will be also with a Docker. I don't know. Or Flask Postgres. Flask? There is a compose of Docker, so I guess like this is thing. I will just jump here and here. So basically, where is the Docker compose? I think it will just create our Docker containers. Like this is like. This file is used to Docker to create the containers and run your app. We have multiple versions on this file, different environments. So this will do everything, I would say. Yeah, maybe it's not the way, but Python, Postgres uses. This is Python Flask. But if we do this, it will create. Now we can look if there is something, maybe Angular Flask Docker, building an Angular app in secure compact Docker, Angular skeleton Docker file, or maybe this one. I want the skeleton already done. This one. Maybe this one is okay as well. And there is a Docker YAML compose. Ha! So, and now we can just download as a zip, or we can clone it to our project. So for we will take like this URL and open our terminal, and we have our folder, our website folder, and we will do git clone and this, and then we will write like our social or like it and rental cloning. So it will clone. Woohoo! So now we have item rental, and we have some files here. Docker compose. I would say that we can compose command. The can run Docker compose up, and then I think it would just do up or up. So now it's completing some crazy stuff. run this, maybe. Ooh. Okay. And this thing defines. Oh. But it's still doing something. Wow, that's crazy. There's some error, so we can't run. No. Fucking bullshit. We have some port already allocated. Because of what? Sorry, localhost. What is happening? Okay. Yeah, so we can just like this. Stop this guy. And now we can do it again. Maybe. Oh, it's working now. Nice. Doing something. So what we already have, some kind of skeleton, and so our container setup somehow, maybe, hopefully. Still doing something, so I will wait for some time. So next thing, what we need, what do we need? I don't know what is Flask. Python framework. I don't want to Python, or maybe I can, why not? So on King's web server, some Python here, Angular framework. How the code look like. Yeah, so now what we can do, I think, we can just open the Sublime and open our project in Sublime Text. This is a good idea. We have website, item rental, click open, and we can see where am I? Here. You can see we have our project here. It's not working, but at least we have it here. There's some readme. There's some Flask. There's some server. Docker file. Modules. Main. That's what I want to say, it will be here. Like stuff. Look on our terminal, what is happening here? Nothing is happening, why? Yeah, I will say it started server. This thing started server and created, so it's already doing something. If we look on our browser, it says it doesn't work. That's interesting. But why? This is interesting. It's running, so what is happening? Okay, so what next? So I'm using port 80. Depending on the URL of the request, using Angular request to send to Flask, picking this request starting API. Request is sent to Flask website. Token content is also running in expose profile. Setting it to functions profile. So basically I should check short diagram. You can't see anything. Yeah, that's bad. Message forbidden. And localhost. It's like working. But this is getting started page. This is not what we need. Now we need to like delete and delete this and start. Oh. But I don't know, maybe this is what we need. so I guess I'm fucked. I don't know why it's not working. Yeah, I need to... I think I need a lot of stuff here, which I don't have, so that's why I don't have. Okay, so I think we can just end up with what we have right now. We have NPM. Yeah, and one more thing I would like to... So right now, okay, it's not working, but it's there. Our skeletons we can just manage later. And then one more thing I would like to download for today is bootstrap template, which we are going to use to not have to like create our own HTML and CSS. So we gonna go here. I can just admin template, and we can just... This is enough. Why not? This sounds good, but I want to download. Where I can download? Just or we can just clone it here. Just clone it of our terminal to be like a also clone, and just this guy. To look like a pro. And we have it. We have it. Websites. Here somewhere. I'm in LTA, and we can just open in Chrome. And there is our website, which does nothing right now, but it will in the future. Yeah. So we can just briefly look what we are going to use. Here we need some kind of login page. It will be here, I'm pretty sure. Login. Dashboard. Widgets. There's some widgets. Pages. Extras. Login register. Something like this is really nice. It's okay. And yeah. So we have login register, and then we can have some kind of like profile. We'll use profile. Yeah, that's really nice. And then we have like our items which we want to rent, and then I would like to have like the map. Could be really nice. What do we have here? Project detail. What the hell is that? Ah, we don't need anything of that, but we can just create it. So we can see like inside. We can see it's supposed to be somewhere here. Admin LTA, and you can see like here we have HTML code. If we change here something, it will appear changed here. So we can see like there is it's cached somewhere, I guess, or it's not saved. It's this dot here. Home. Well, maybe it's not home. That's why. Index 3, but it's supposed to be index. And here we can see it's changed. So we have our templates, we have our some kind of skeleton. I don't know how much useful it will be. We have our version control system. Everything prepared for work. NPM bootstrap template, which we are going to use. Okay, so that's for now. I think that's all. You can just set up your environment like this, and we can start working on our application.